Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you haven't already, please make sure you like, subscribe, and share this channel for those who aren't familiar with the channel as we continue to grow. So today we're in Saunders Springs, which is in Radcliff, Kentucky, and this actually used to be a water source for the surrounding communities such as Fort Knox. So the preserve, it spans over 73 acres and it features all type of landscape, woods, natural springs, and even bike trails, as you can see. So Saunders Springs is home to a diverse range of wildlife as well. Visitors can spot deers, turkeys, and numerous species of birds, making it a great place for wildlife observation and bird watching. The preserve offers several miles of hiking and biking trails that cater to all skill levels. There are also designated picnic areas and spots for outdoor recreation such as flag football, frisbee, fishing, stuff like that. The area includes beautiful spring-fed ponds and waterfalls, adding to the scenic charm and provides a peaceful atmosphere for the visitors. So later in the video, you'll see that I actually found a few of the waterfalls, and I can tell you firsthand, it's an amazing feeling. It's like all your thoughts go away when you're just chilling on a rock and just water just flowing, the sound of water crashing against the rocks or whatever, just hitting. It just take all your problems away. So that was like one of the highlights of me being at the park, Springs. So, and the water smells fresh, it tastes fresh. I mean, you can't beat it. It's kind of weird how waterfalls like exist. Like I believe they all travel north, like so they're all going upwards or something like that. It's kind of crazy. So the preserve contains remnants of historical structures, including old stone dams and foundations, offering a glimpse into the area's past. So this is something I didn't know about Saunders Springs. They have a butterfly garden. I wish I would have known, because butterflies are really cool. But yeah, so there's a dedicated butterfly garden within the preserve that attracts various species of butterflies, providing a delightful spot for nature lovers and photographers. So stick around, keep watching this video as I create more fun facts and commentary on the trail. So we finna get back into it. We're at the Saunders Springs Nature Reserve Park in Radcliff, Kentucky. This is another edition of the Kentucky part of Flying with Nimbus ATL. I promise, for those who are interested in content in Georgia and stuff like that, and Tennessee and Ohio, I'll be getting into that very soon. But I'm just finishing out Kentucky. That looks like a trail right there already. So this is my first time coming to this trail, so bear with me, y'all. We're gonna find a good part. That's the beauty of this channel. A lot of this stuff is not planned, you know. I may go to a park like once or twice just to get a feel for it, just so I won't be wasting like film time trying to, let's see, where we're at. Alright, so a bike can go through this. Alright. But yeah, like I said, I don't want to waste film time trying to find stuff like how I'm doing now. I kind of just want to go and make everything look fluid. But yeah, so far it smells amazing. So this is the bike route. We're gonna take this. It's a little more of a bike route. The other one look like something like side by side and ATVs and stuff. So this is called the Bambi Trail. So it looks like they have all type of different like trails and stuff like to take. So we're just gonna follow the ones that have cool names like Bambi. So I'm assuming it's like deers and stuff on this trail. You know, the most rewarding part about this trail that I've seen so far is the natural springs that they have. So that seems like the most rewarding part about this trail, besides, you know, getting your exercise in and stuff like that. So far the trail look pretty maintained and stuff, man. I'm liking it. Smells good, man. Like, I love the smell of a fresh forest. See, I gotta move fast enough so the mosquitoes won't eat at me. There go a tip when it comes to mountain bike. You gotta move fast enough so the mosquitoes won't eat at you. Huh.
Ready? We have a turtle. There better not be no snapping turtle. So we found a turtle on the trail, y'all. I wouldn't recommend picking up stuff. This could be a snapping turtle, who knows, but we're gonna keep it out the way. All right. Three-fourths of the trail. That's pretty cool. It looks like it's man-made. Huh. Pretty cool. I ain't gonna lie, I feel like I'm lost. I feel like I gotta follow this trail all the way throughout now.